Hi everyone, this is Felisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So this is a very short video of my kitchen and what I've done to it for the winter season. Our kitchen is very small. We have the only countertop area that we have is a little small abbreviated L-shaped area. I have my refrigerator, my stove, my zinc. I have a little microwave cart, and I also have my kitchen table in the kitchen, and I use my kitchen table for my tablescapes, and we do eat at our table from time to time, but most of the time we use little serving trays to eat at because it's just me and my husband here at home right now. So I'm just showing you the kitchen. I love decorating on the top of my cabinets. Just showing you different points and different areas of the kitchen from different standpoints. So now I'm standing on the opposite side of the kitchen. I do plan on doing a revamp on that area over there where the stove and refrigerator is. I want to try to add a area where you insert the refrigerator in so that we can put some cabinets on top of the refrigerator and maybe a cabinet on the side of the refrigerator and a cabinet on the side of the stove, and one of those microwaves that you put on top of the refrigerator. So that's the plan for the future. So as you can see, I have my table in the kitchen. That's the only area that I have that I can put my table. So I am making way with my small space, and I'm loving my space. So just know that no matter how small or how big your space is, you can decorate your space to your liking, as I have done in my home. Our kitchen cabinets was originally that light oak color, and we painted them. Every once in a while, we'll have to do a refresh on certain areas of the kitchen cabinets. Now, I would love to have an island in the middle of our floor, and that's another task that I want to tackle. Probably will be getting rid of that microwave cart once we actually do that revamp to the kitchen with the kitchen cabinets and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm loving this space right now. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.